Hi there. Many a time you'll see we use the term chiffonade. It's a term of finely slicing a herb or whatever the matter may be, a vegetable, spinach, whatever the matter may be. We can't say that we're really crazy about chopped herbs. We don't enjoy chopped herbs because we believe in a chopping process you lose so much of the juice in the herb, and that we far prefer using the term chiffonade, and we'd rather chiffonade our herbs, even flat leaf, parsley, and when we do basil, we either tear it or at times we'll chiffonade it if we really want it to be fine and nice just before we use it. So what we're going to do is just show you how simple it is to chiffonade a herb. Okay, so what we're going to do is today we're going to demonstrate with a little sage. You take your sage, pack it. You would do the same if you were using flat leaf parsley or basil or whatever matter may be. But pack them really nicely flat on top of each other like that. There we go. Really simple. And there we go. That's it there. We got that amount there. That'll do us fine there. Keep them together. And remember, like in our knife skills video, fingers back. And remember the rocking motion of the knife. Remember the grip of the knife, the pinch and grip, really important. Got total control of my knife. And all I do, hold that down there with a rocking motion against my fingers. There we go. And finely sliced, chiffonaded in this case, like it said. And that's it there. And always do this just before you're going to use your herb, not in advance, because you don't want it to dry out. You want it to stay nice and moist. You want to keep that herb as fresh as possible before you use it. And that's a really nice fine chiffonade there. Go right there. And all you do is look at that there. There's my chiffonade. Really simple, really straightforward, nice, easy, simple to do. And do try that out. As I said, remember, always process or slice your herb just before you're going to use it, not in advance, okay? Enjoy and keep it cooking, and look forward to seeing you soon again.